Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable camera in MS Excel. So click on File, then Options, here click on Customize ribbon or click on Quick Access toolbar. In this list you have to find out all commands. Now in this list find out camera. Select it and then click on Add and click on OK. So now you will get this camera icon here. To use camera in Excel, select any data in Excel, then click on camera and click anyway. So you have the photocopy of particular data. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.